Emotional intelligence has been taught from a dominant culture lens since its inception. It doesn't mean that the information in the research isn't strong research, but there's one main area that's missing. Culture. You got awareness of self. But how can you have awareness of self if you have no awareness of culture? That dynamic is totally taken out. In the number one skill that you need to build and sustain relationships, culture is not in the fabric. And the trouble of that is, that means that managers, leaders, influencers can take these tests and feel good about themselves and feel that they've accomplished a high level of emotional intelligence and know nothing about culture or ethnicity. Isn't that odd? One of the blind spots in dominant culture is the narrative, controlling the narrative, and also negating white supremacy or overlooking it. That's the white elephant in the room. It's always there. Black, white, brown, and white supremacy. How do we, as black and brown people, navigate that? How do white people navigate that? And then we can have honest conversations. Because if we can't talk about that, we'll never really be in this relationship.